And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
Always wanted to know what cool felt like. I guess I just have to taste a soda to figure it out, right? Certainly not cool out there today. Very mild. Record-setting day for the Climo-Sites of Worcester and Boston. For Hartford and Providence or TF Green, no, but still very toasty. I got a little sun in Richmond. I've been seeing some shadows. And when I drove through Richmond today on 95 exit 3, I had to put sunglasses on briefly. It was a little bit of sun out there, but mainly clouds winning out from much of the area. But the temperatures were very spring-like. It felt amazing. I mean, these temperatures are more like middle of April than the middle of February, but it came with some wind, so it was hard to enjoy. I understand that, but temperatures in the 50s. I mean, some areas this morning woke up almost 40 to 45 degrees warmer than the previous morning. That's a humongous change. But colder air awaits. This is not frigid stuff headed our way, but obviously when you see mild, green and yellow, to blue, cold, there's some kind of frontal boundary dividing that. And it's that front that's moving to our area tonight and into the morning tomorrow that will bring the winds and the rain and eventually some colder temperatures as we go into tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night. So here's that front draped across the Ohio Valley. Mild air for us now and a lot of rain. I know you see some snow here. This is a rain event for us, though. The temperatures will not get cold enough behind the front while there's precipitation. So this turns into a rain event for us that arrives after 9 p.m. tonight, but the heaviest of rain will hold off until the daybreak hours tomorrow. So hour by hour, if you go out this evening, you know, maybe going to get some batteries if you lose power, or make sure you charge that phone, or maybe gas up the vehicle. A lot of clouds and breezy. And then after 9, the rain comes in, and it just kind of rains, but the winds start to pick up at this point. We go from breezy to downright windy after 10, 11 p.m., and the winds will only increase as we go into the overnight into the morning tomorrow. Once we get into the morning hours tomorrow, that commute is going to be a tough one. Winds are strongest, gusting up to 60 miles an hour, tapering off to gust to 35 in the afternoon. Rain ends and shuts down early, even a little sun in the afternoon. The high temperatures you see here, very deceiving. 50s will become 40s and 30s by the time you drive home for Friday. So warmest temperatures will be in the morning. And the storm itself still packing a punch into the afternoon tomorrow. Maybe not with rain at that point and not the gustiest of winds, but still breezy. So here's your temperature drop throughout the day, and the stormiest time will be in the morning. That's when you got the rain and the strongest winds for that 6 a.m. time frame, coincides with the morning commute. So strong winds tonight, 10 p.m. to 10 a.m., peaking sometime by daybreak. What I mean by that is like 5, 6, 7, 8 in the morning. Gusts 50 to 65, sustained around 30. Keeping an eye on power outages and that heaviest of rain working in with those strongest gusts during that morning hour of 5 to 8 with some thunder possible as well. I pushed the red back a bit to the north and west. I should have did this yesterday. 50 to 65 gusts for the entire area. And a stormy night ahead for sure. The high wind warning, not a surprise that the watch was flipped to a warning. We already had a warning for parts of the area and a stormy stretch for tonight into tomorrow morning. Here comes the rain after about 9 o'clock. It's just some showers preceding the main line that's to the west. That will arrive sometime after midnight. Rain will be heavy at times. And just when you think you get to 3, 4 in the morning and it's been raining heavy, there's one more burst that has to come in right around 7. This would be the best chance of hearing some rumbles of thunder. That rain will pivot to the southeastern Mass locations by 8 and then out of here by morning. Sunshine in the afternoon and breezy. Going to the day on Saturday, start off with a lot of sunshine, but not quite out of the woods in the afternoon. There could still be a spot sprinkle, shower, or flurry. Otherwise, it's not a bad day. Even put an arrow there to remind me to tell you. And then Sunday, sunshine, still a little breeze. And then we go into next week, milder with a chance of rain as we go into Tuesday and Wednesday. Tiffany.
Thanks, Jeff. Still to come, inflation hitting the food industry yet again. The latest comes